everyone, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name's Trish, and on this channel I talk about neutral and minimal style, which is my personal favourite way to dress. Now, I deliberately keep my wardrobe colour palette very cohesive because it allows me to mix and match all of my items without too much effort. My wardrobe colour palette is black, white and blue, and I have a few neutrals like beiges, greys and navies thrown in as well. All of these colours suit my particular colouring as well, which is a kind of high contrast wintry colouring. As you can see, I'm from Ireland, so I have the typical pale skin and I have quite dark hair, so there is a big contrast between my hair colour and my skin colour, and I also have cool undertones to my skin. So if I look at my veins in my hands, for example, they are quite blue, meaning that I have cool undertones. That means that those cooler colours, so cool blues, blacks, whites and greys and navies really suit my skin tone. But having said all that, occasionally I like to add a pop of colour. But my dilemma is, how do I do this without looking too overdone or overstyled or clashing the colours I already have? Well, today I want to show you how I do it, how I add pops of colour to my neutral outfits and basically create the best of both worlds. You get all the personality that colour gives an outfit while still maintaining that elegant, classy, neutral look. So let's get into it and I'll show you how I do it. So I would have spoken about this tote bag many times before. It is a beautiful large leather tote. It's called the Large Tote from a brand called Mansur Gavriel. I got this secondhand on Vestiaire Collective for an absolute steal of €50. By contrast, when they retail new, they go for around €850. So I really got a bargain here and I was very lucky. My favourite thing about this tote bag is the red leather lining inside the bag. So depending on how I move the bag, it creates that pop and flash of red, which I think is a really beautiful and unexpected element to an otherwise neutral outfit. I like to pair this bag with my usual neutral toned clothes, and I think it goes particularly well with an all black look, for example. So here I've styled it with my Oasis pants and my black Gaspard cardigan from Sezane, and that pop of red really helps to elevate the outfit and give it an element of the unexpected. Because this bag is secondhand, it has had to be repaired. There was a little hole in the leather in the front of the bag, and the person who had the bag previous to me repaired it by stitching on a little red leather heart. So I absolutely love that uniqueness and that little detail because it's quite a subtle pop of red. It's not too overdone or ostentatious in my opinion, and it's just this beautiful little detail that gives the bag such uniqueness and originality. Wearing red lipstick is one of my favourite ways to add a pop of colour to the outfit, and especially as I've started doing videos, I can see firsthand what a difference the addition of a good lipstick can make. It really finishes off an outfit in a way that really surprised me and was completely unexpected. So it's not something I neglect to do anymore, and red lipstick is my favourite colour to wear. So this particular one I'm wearing is from Dior, and it is my everyday go-to lipstick. Quick tip, I do wear a red lip liner with it, so I apply the lip liner first around the edges of my lips, and then I actually fill in my lips with the lip liner as well. So this is a tip my friend gave me, and it is absolutely wonderful for increasing the lifetime of your lipstick. I find that even if I have something to eat or drink, the lipstick, by applying the lip liner all across the lip first, the lipstick doesn't wear away. I then apply the lipstick over the lip liner, and it's a really long-lasting and vibrant look that I think complements my more neutral outfits and neutral toned outfits very well. If you're like me and you don't want to invest in full clothing pieces in vibrant colours, then a great way to add colour to your wardrobe is by simply adding a coloured scarf. Now, I have a few coloured scarves in my wardrobe that I'm really fond of. So I have this beautiful maroon scarf from Outnet in Donegal. They're obviously an Irish brand. It's this stunning 100% lamb's wool scarf, and it's knitted in this beautiful herringbone design. So it's just a gorgeous detail, and I find this cool toned maroon colour goes so well with my neutral wardrobe. It really does pair so well with almost any other neutral colour. So I really enjoy wearing this one, and obviously being 100% lamb's wool, it's very, very warm to wear as well. So this has been a go-to scarf for this winter. Now, getting away from winter, and I know it's a while away yet for us in the Northern Hemisphere, but thinking of summer, my favourite scarf to wear during the summer is this beautiful, vibrant, ocean-coloured scarf that I got years and years ago in Thailand. The colour of this scarf is unmatched. I have not seen a similar coloured scarf in all of my years since getting this. So I'm so glad I didn't pass it up in Thailand, because I was a broke backpacker and I really had to think about it before, at the time, splurging on this item. But I'm so glad I did, and I've had it ever since. Going on 10 years now, imagine. So this scarf is such a vibrant colour, and it stands out particularly well against whites and creams and beiges. I really love wearing this scarf with white pieces. So I love it particularly during the summer. I have white linen pants and white t-shirts, and this scarf is a really, really beautiful addition, especially during the evenings when it gets a bit colder. I also have this multicolored scarf from Celtic Silk. It is a kind of crepe de chine type of material, so it's not a glossy silk, but I absolutely love those, again, cool toned sea green colours. I think, I don't know, it's very Irish. It looks like the Irish, it's the same colour as like the Irish coastline and the Irish hills, and I absolutely love the colour against my neutral items as well. And finally, I have these two silk scarves from Arket. Now look, one is quite monochrome, black and white, but I particularly enjoy wearing this brown toned one. It looks so good with my navy pieces. So this looks wonderful against my navy Martin sweater from Sezane, and it also looks great with my navy blazer from Karen Millen as well. So I absolutely love this scarf, and it really is a go-to piece for when I want to add a pop of something different to any of my outfits. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, do consider subscribing to the channel. I post new videos every week, and subscribing will make sure you never miss one. The next way to add a pop of colour is my particular favourite, and it's to add it in an unexpected way. So I have a really beautiful example of this, and it's in the form of my knee-high leather boots that I got from the Outnet last year. And the soles of these boots are pink. And you know, it was just completely unexpected. When the boots were delivered in the post, it was only when I took them out of the box that I realised that it had this detail. It wasn't in, you know, the marketing material or any of the photos for the item. So it was a really lovely, unexpected surprise, and I love that little pop of colour it gives to any of my outfits. The boots themselves are entirely black, but it's only the sole that is pink, and it just adds that pop of something extra to any outfit I pair them with. The next way to add colour is again a slightly unexpected way, and it is in the form of linings. Now I have this wonderful grey coat from Ted Baker, and my favourite thing about this coat is the lining. It is a beautiful pattern, and you often see this in Ted Baker pieces. They really have great attention to detail, and the lining is one of those details where they really put some extra effort in, and that's an effort I really appreciate. This lining is multicolored, it has a pink element to it, so I would really enjoy pairing this coat with the boots I got from the Outnet, the pink soled boots that I mentioned earlier, and it would just be an understated but beautiful pairing. A final way to add colour to neutral outfits is by using jewellery. Now there are some beautiful elegant jewellery pieces that include coloured stones. So for example, there is this beautiful baguette ring from a company called Norm Jewels, and the stone is this beautiful vibrant blue colour. It is an absolutely stunning piece. Mejuri do some beautiful pieces as well. I particularly love the green stones they use, and there are many examples which I'll put up here for you. And I think any of these pieces can really elevate a neutral look and make the overall effect a lot more interesting and filled with personality. That's it for this week's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and tune in for next week's video, where I talk about how to look expensive on a budget. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!